Good day guys, this is S-Class S560 look conversion body kit from 2014, 15, 16 to 2018, 2020 look facelift S560 design look. So this is the front bumper complete with the sensor holes included. This is rear bumper including the rear diffuser, side skirts if the car is not AMG. The tail lights are also here. This particular tail lights is quality ULO, made in Germany, so this is quite good. Headlights, of course, if you have car with night vision, please tell us, because it will be only Magneti Marelli. This particular aftermarket headlights with computer, but they are made to fit non-night vision type look. This radiator grille will also have three different types. This particular one is radar look, okay, this in the middle one. There is one functional and non-functional, only design also. So you can see a lot of brackets included with this package. Bumper sponge, this is absorber bumper grills, all that chrome trims, plenty of different parts are included in the package. The chrome garnishes for the exhaust, all right. Exhaust tips are also here included, chromed. Here we go. Finishing is pretty decent. You can see this is the inner, this is where the pipe coming out from. Splash guards, this is for the front. You can see also different brackets for the rear bumper as well as the front bumper. This is other supports here. This is the underneath of the engine. There is a shield also. Yeah, mud guards for the front. So there are some different reflectors also included for the rear bumper. Different brackets, holders for the parking sensors, holders for the exhaust tips on the top, and the bottom also to hold it in place. Some extra reinforcement for the bumper. Also the plate holder is also included here. All right guys, so it's a very different kit from many other aftermarket kits, because first of all it's many items included extra with them, okay. And it's a best fitment, already many times tested, very good, to be very good paintable, you know. It's PP plastic guys, it's not some cheap ABS stuff or polyurethane. So this is PP plastic, all right. This is very high quality, if you can say. That's from the all aftermarket. Parking sensor holes already pre-drilled here. All right guys, thank you for watching, stay tuned. Kit is always in stock. If you want S63 look or S560 or MB style, all the three conversion types are in stock.